Hello and welcome to this video about adding and subtracting fractions. In this video I hope to demonstrate how to add and subtract fractions, including mixed number fractions with different denominators. We're going to have a quick recap on how to simplify fractions. So 3/9 would be 3 squares out of this 9 square grid, which is the same as 1 rectangle out of this 3 rectangle grid. 3/9 equals 1/3. We can divide 3 by 3 to get 1, and we can divide 9 by 3 to get 3. So we can see that 3/9 is the same as 1/3. We're going to look at converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. Improper fractions are sometimes called top-heavy fractions. It means the numerator, the number on the top, is bigger than the denominator, the number on the bottom. So here we have 5/2. So we have 5 halves, which is the same as 2 wholes and 1 half. So 5/2 is the same as 2 1/2. What about 10/6? Well, we start by dividing the numerator, the top number, by the denominator. So in this case, 10 divided by 6. Well, 10 divided by 6 goes once, remainder 4. We turn this into the whole number and this into the top of the fraction. So 10 divided by 6 equals 1 and 4/6. And we can simplify the 4/6 to 2/3, because 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 10/6 is the same as 1 and 2/3. Here we're going to look at converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. So this time we're starting with 2 3/5. We're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add it to the numerator. So here we say 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So 2 3/5 is the same as 13/5. Adding and subtracting fractions. You must remember that you can only add and subtract fractions that have the same denominator. Here we've got 1/4 plus 1/4 clearly equals a half. We can see that. Let's try a half plus 1/3. So we need to find, we haven't got the denominators the same here, so we need to find a common denominator. Well, 1/2 is the same as 3/6, and you can see it in the pictures. 1/3 is the same as 2/6. So we find the common denominator, in this case 6, and then we add the numerators. So 1/2 plus 1/3 equals 3/6 plus 2/6, which equals 5/6. In this example we've got 7/10, 7/10, minus 2/5, 2/5. So we're going to find the common denominator. In this case it's 10. So our 7/10 just stays 7/10. Our 2/5 becomes 4/10. We times the 2 by 2 to get 4 and the 5 by 2 to get 10. So now we have 7/10 minus 2/5 equals 7/10 minus 4/10, which equals 3/10. With mixed numbers, it's usually easiest to change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So, for example, we have 3 1/3 plus 4 4.5. 3 1/3 is 9/3. The 3 is the same as 9/3. We times 3 by 3 to get 9, and we have the 3 on the bottom. Plus 1/3 equals 10/3. So when we're converting 3 1/3 into an improper fraction, it becomes 10/3. 4.5 is the same as 8/2 plus 1/2, which is 9/2. So converting the 4.5 into an improper fraction is 9/2. Now we need to find a common denominator. In this case it's 6. So 10/3, to end up with a denominator 6, we're timesing everything by 2. Whatever we do to the top, we need to do to the bottom. So 3 times 2 gives us 6, 10 times 2 gives us 20. 9/2, we need to times by 3 to get 6 as our denominator. 2 times 3 gives us 6, 9 times 3 gives us 27. So now we can write that 3 1/3 plus 4.5 equals 20/6 plus 27/6, which gives us 47/6. We're not finished yet because that's an improper fraction. So we're going to divide 47 by 6, which is 7. 7 6s are 42, remainder 5. So our final answer is 7 5/6. Remember, you can go back and watch this video again if you need to. You need to make sure you have a really good set of notes which you can bring to the next lesson, along with any questions that you have for me. Good luck!